From the mid-70s to late 90s, shake roofing was the premier residential roofing product in the United States, and those roofs are wearing out. Felt exposures are the main cause of failure with shake roofing, where the sun burns through the thin part of the shake, leaving the felt exposed, and then burns through the felt, leaving the attic exposed. We can repair these by installing cedar shims where the felt has been exposed. These shims that were installed are far too thin to maintain the proper course alignment. To gain the required 1.5-inch side lap offset, you have to have shims that are at least 3 inches wide, like these. And of course, always look for Blue Label #1 premium material. Preparation is critical, and every shake restoration starts out with a thorough cleaning, removing all the dirt from the roof. And on this house, a portion of the roof is going to get replaced. Now this job's nearing completion and it looks fantastic. I can't believe it's the same roof. So for top quality work, give us a call at Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection. The number is 800-409-4910.